afternoon, everybody. I'm Henry. On the topic we're going to take a look today, simple present affirmative. If you haven't known about it, don't worry. It's really easy, and that's what we are going to take a look today. As you can see in the picture, it says simple present is right now, not past, not future. It knows. It indicates routine actions or facts, and some of its uses are habits and feelings. So, in order to understand a little better, let's take a look at these two rules. First, commonly verbs change in the third person. So, we have to remember that third person is she, he, and it. How does it change? It depends on the verb. We will see some examples. So take a look at them. I play, the first person. You play, we play, you as a group play, they play. But when it comes to talk about third person, he, she, and it, you can see that the verb you have to add an s at the end. So you say he plays, she plays, it plays. For this verb, which is to play, we have to add just the letter, s. So in third person, it would be plays. He plays, she plays, it plays. So, as an example, we have she plays tennis. Let's see some more examples with some other verbs. We have cats like milk. As you can see, like is the verb to like, and because it is plural, we have to use it in its natural form, right? In the second example, we have he has his passport in his hand. The verb in here is to have. Okay, to have. But when it comes to talk about the third person, that is he, in this case, the verb changes and it has. So this is one of the examples that you don't add an s at the end. Like if I'd say my cat, for example, my cat likes milk. I'm talking about cat, which is like talking about an object or an animal. Eat. My cat likes milk. The second one, because it changes the third person, we have to write it down as he has his passport in his hand. If we go to the next one, it's almost the same. She goes to the cinema on Fridays. The verb is to go. But because we are talking about the third person, we gotta change it and we gotta add an e and an s. And it would be like she goes to the cinema on Fridays. And the last example is I do my homework at night. The verb would be to do, because I'm talking about the first John and the verb to sleep. So it would be if we're talking about a man, John. So John sleeps. Look, they do have 2 tickets for the circus. This one we saw it before. So for they, it's like they have. It doesn't change. 2 tickets for the circus. But if I change it to he, it would be like. How do you think? Does it change or it doesn't? Yeah, it has to change because it's a third person. So it's he has 2 tickets for the circus. I to love animals. To love. This one doesn't change either. I love animals. He to go to circus ever since he was a child. In this case, it changes and it goes like goes. It's a joke. Okay, he goes to the circus ever since he was a child. Now I'm gonna give you some more, for example, for you to do it by your own, right? Okay, so back to practice. Okay, so back to practice. Here we have um, one short paragraph of a daily routine you should complete, and at the end, the question is, how is your daily routine? So I want you to write your routine to get to know if you understood the topic and if we need to review some aspects. Thank you very much, and don't be shy to ask.